Thanks for joining us today in our kitchen hallway entrance and laundry room bathroom floors. We just finished our 24 by 24 porcelain uh, rectified tile. As you can see here, we have a nice sheet of glass, very smooth, very tight joints, and a nice shine marble look floor. We are servicing the GTA Toronto. We're actually up here in Markham. Homeowner had picked this tile, and we showed our earlier videos of how we did the dry pack, how we leveled the floor, and some of the tile installations, halfway done kind of thing, and this is the final stage of our one of our projects here. We have about 700 square feet. This is leading all the way down to the entrance of the door, the house. We have the client going to be putting all brand new hardwood flooring, so he's going to put a quarter underlayment underneath and put the hardwood pre-finished, and he'll get a nice smooth transition along the edge here. So again, if you're looking for this type of work, we do big tile. We've been around 32 years, 4 feet by 2 feet, 36 inch by 36 inch, 3 feet by 3 feet, all type of tiles, kitchen hallway, showers, bathrooms, custom homes, commercial. This is generally our installations. This is how our finish looks like. We did not put Detra, we did not put scratch coat with the metal edging because these floors were up and down and wavy. So definitely this 24 by 24 would not go down as smooth or lipless as you could see here. There's actually no way. Each individual job is totally different, so be careful on what type of preparations before laying tile. We do heated floors, either water system or extension wire stuff, so dry pack is so convenient. We put the wires underneath, not on this house, but put the wires underneath, right under the dry pack, and homeowners are gonna have a nice cozy warm floor. So I'm leading down here into the laundry room, bathroom floor, leading into the garage. So if you have any questions, you're not sure on how to start your project, big or small, it's always good to give us a call. We can give you all the right steps. We can discuss on what you're planning to do, when you're planning to start, and schedule you in for our tile installations, of course. So here, this is the end of the job here, basically, closet. So we have the air vents on the floor, cutouts all ready for the homeowner to put the covers on. Again, look onto all our other videos of shower, bathrooms, walls, how we install it, how we do the dry pack, and get heated wires put down on all our projects to help you out in deciding what you want, what kind of tile you're trying to pick. So this might help you out on making a decision. This is a beige. Beige, there's a lot of the grays that people are interested. This gives you a nice view. These porcelain tend to have 3 or 4 different patterns, so even 5 patterns. So if you look at our 36 inch by 36 on our last video of a kitchen hallway entrance, they have about 6 patterns. So There's no right or wrong in putting these tiles down. Some of them have arrows, some of them don't. So clients tend to help us out on putting their tiles down, on which direction, or trying to match. These are never a book match, of course. But you know, homeowners, it's always their first project, so they have the comfort in getting us to put them down, kind of select, but we typically do it with the homeowners, so everybody's happy at the end of the job. We do not do the layouts without the homeowner picking their patterns, because obviously next day you don't want to rip out any of the tiles. So again, give us a call at 416-937-8115. Hopefully this video will help you. Check out our website and all our before, middle, and after pictures and so on. And we'll get you started on your project. 416-937-8115.